Hey there, viewers. If you think baking soda is just for baking cookies or deodorizing your fridge, think again. That little white box hiding in your kitchen cabinet is actually one of the most powerful multi-purpose tools you'll ever own. From cleaning your oven to freshening up smelly shoes, baking soda is a cheap, safe, and incredibly effective way to tackle dozens of everyday problems around the house. No need for toxic sprays or expensive cleaners. Baking soda's natural chemistry gets the job done better than most products lining the shelves. In today's video, we'll show you 10 life-changing hacks that will completely change how you clean and freshen your home. And trust me, you won't believe what it can do. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or just someone who wants a cleaner, healthier living space without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Ready to discover what baking soda can really do? Let's jump in. 1. Freshen your fridge. The fridge is home to all your favorite foods, but it's also home to some of the worst smells. From leftovers and spilled milk to that mystery container in the back, odors can linger for weeks. But don't worry, baking soda is the hero your fridge has been waiting for. Just open a box and place it in the back. That's it. The baking soda starts absorbing odors from day one. Unlike air fresheners, it doesn't just cover up the smell, it actually neutralizes it. Baking soda reacts with both acidic and basic odor molecules, making it ideal for a wide variety of smells. Want even better results? Try replacing the box every 3 months. You can even add a small open container in your freezer for full coverage. It's a totally natural, totally safe way to keep your fridge smelling clean and your food tasting fresh. 2. Clear the drain. Clogged or slow-moving drains are more than just an inconvenience. They can start to smell and even cause water damage if left untreated. But there's a simple non-toxic solution that works wonders: baking soda and vinegar. First, pour half a cup of baking soda directly down the drain. Then follow it with half a cup of vinegar. You'll see a fizzy reaction. That's the chemical magic breaking down gunk, grease, and grime that's been clinging to your pipes. Let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes before flushing it down with boiling water. The result? A cleaner, faster, fresher smelling drain without using corrosive chemical cleaners. You can use this hack in the kitchen, bathroom, or even laundry room. Doing this monthly can prevent future blockages and save you money on plumbing bills. Plus, it's safe for septic systems and environmentally friendly. 3. Deodorize carpet. Even when your carpet looks clean, it might still be holding on to all kinds of hidden smells. Pet dander, spilled drinks, and everyday foot traffic can leave behind unpleasant odors. Enter baking soda, the easiest way to revive and refresh your carpets. All you need to do is sprinkle a generous layer over the surface. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for tough smells, then vacuum thoroughly. The baking soda absorbs odors at the molecular level, lifting them out of carpet fibers as you vacuum. Want an extra touch of freshness? Mix a few drops of essential oil like lavender or eucalyptus with the baking soda before sprinkling. It's a natural, chemical-free deodorizer that's perfect for homes with kids or pets. Try this before guests come over, after cleaning up spills, or as part of your regular deep clean routine. 4. Brighten Mugs. Do you love your morning coffee or afternoon tea but hate those stubborn brown stains inside your favorite mugs? Don't worry, you don't need to toss them or scrub endlessly. Baking soda can handle it. Just sprinkle some inside the mug, add a splash of water to create a paste, and gently scrub with a soft sponge. The mild abrasiveness of baking soda breaks down stains without damaging the surface. It's also safe for ceramic, porcelain, and even some stainless steel cups. Within seconds, your mug looks as good as new. This trick also works on teapots, reusable water bottles, and stained containers. No harsh chemicals, no scratched surfaces. Just clean, bright mugs ready for your next hot drink. You'll be amazed how easily those deep stains disappear, and how much better your coffee looks in a clean cup. 5. Clean the oven. Cleaning your oven is one of the most dreaded household chores. Burnt food, greasy buildup, and that smoky smell can make it feel impossible. But what if I told you baking soda could take care of it overnight? No scrubbing, no fumes, no stress. Here's how. Make a paste using baking soda and water. Then spread it all over the interior of your oven. Just avoid the heating elements. Let it sit overnight while you sleep. In the morning, use a damp cloth to wipe everything down. For any leftover spots, spray with a little vinegar to activate a final fizz and lift remaining grime. The result? A clean, odor-free oven that looks brand new. And you didn't have to inhale toxic oven cleaners or scrub for hours. This is hands down one of the best uses for baking soda, and once you try it, you'll never go back to harsh chemicals again. 6. Refresh your mattress. You may wash your sheets regularly, but when was the last time you cleaned your mattress? Over time, mattresses collect sweat, dust, dead skin, and even bacteria. The good news? You don't need fancy products to freshen it up, just baking soda. Strip your bed completely, then sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda over the entire mattress. Let it sit for several hours. This gives it time to absorb moisture and odors. After that, vacuum thoroughly using the upholstery attachment. The baking soda lifts out dirt and neutralizes smells, leaving your mattress clean and fresh. For added relaxation, mix in a few drops of essential oils like lavender or chamomile before sprinkling. This not only refreshes your mattress but also promotes better sleep. Do this every few months to keep your bed feeling brand new and your sleep environment healthy and inviting. 7. Fix smelly shoes. Smelly shoes are more common than you think, especially during hot weather or after workouts. But instead of masking the odor with sprays or tossing your favorite pair in the trash, try this simple trick. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda into each shoe, making sure it covers the insole. Let it sit overnight to absorb moisture and neutralize odor causing bacteria. In the morning, shake it out and enjoy fresher shoes instantly. For a longer-lasting solution, fill a cloth bag or coffee filter with baking soda, tie it up, and leave it in your shoes when you're not wearing them. It's a gentle, chemical-free way to keep your footwear smelling like new. You can also use this method in gym bags, closets, or even lockers. It's a lifesaver for active families, athletes, and anyone who values fresh kicks. 8. Save your cookware. Burnt on food stuck to your pots and pans? Don't panic and definitely don't ruin your cookware by scraping with metal tools. Baking soda is all you need. For light burns, sprinkle baking soda over the affected area and add hot water. Let it soak for a few hours. For tougher messes, make a thick paste with baking soda and water, apply it directly, and scrub gently with a sponge or soft brush. It breaks down the grease and grime without damaging the surface. This trick is especially useful for stainless steel, ceramic, cast iron, and non-stick pans. And it's not just for the inside of cookware. You can use it to clean greasy lids, handles, and even the stove top. It's a non-toxic, effective way to extend the life of your favorite pots and pans. 9. Shine silver. Silverware, jewelry, and decorative pieces look beautiful until they tarnish. While polishing can restore shine, most store-bought products are expensive and packed with chemicals. But there's a safer, simpler way using baking soda. Line a bowl with aluminum foil, shiny side up. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt, and enough hot water to submerge your silver items. Make sure the silver touches the foil. Wait 5 to 10 minutes as the tarnish is transferred from the silver to the foil through a natural chemical reaction. Rinse and dry each piece with a soft cloth, and you're done. No scrubbing, no harsh smells, just sparkling silver that looks brand new. This method is perfect for rings, necklaces, cutlery, or vintage heirlooms. It's safe, quick, and totally satisfying. 10. Clean grout. Nothing makes a bathroom or kitchen look older than dirty, discolored grout. Fortunately, baking soda is a miracle worker for this kind of mess. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to create a thick paste. Apply it directly to grout lines using a toothbrush or grout brush. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then spray the area with vinegar and scrub again as it starts to fizz. This bubbling reaction helps lift away grime, soap scum, and mildew from even the toughest corners. Rinse thoroughly with warm water when you're done. The result: brighter, cleaner grout lines that bring your tile surfaces back to life. This method is inexpensive, chemical-free, and highly effective. Use it on bathroom tiles, kitchen backsplashes, or floor grout anywhere in your home. And there you have it, 10 powerful baking soda hacks that can completely transform your home. Whether you're freshening your fridge, reviving your carpet, or deep cleaning your oven, baking soda is your go-to cleaning superhero. It's cheap, non-toxic, and available in every grocery store. Best of all, it actually works. So next time you're facing a cleaning challenge, don't reach for another expensive spray. Reach for baking soda instead. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.